Falla, falla. Falla, falla.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And Tommy Lee dropped one song a while ago when named Relevant. So my question is, who is irrelevant? Me no know, but we are gonna find out right after the review we are done. And people, remember, watch the video to the end because one of your comment on the previous video that you commented might just pop up on the screen. You see me? So make we go in at the review here now.
Every know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy Murray TV.
Chaddy Murray TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that tube, and such tube, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Break it, chop, I said.
It's exploding right now.
Falla, falla. Falla, falla. We do a thing, you keep it trending. We talk about it might be venting. We do a thing, them do this setting. So them a falla, falla.
Some I don't really know, but from the other day, Tommy Lee find some song there. He might find some melody there. He might find some rhythm I go up on there. What me don't know, them just captivating. Once you hear the intro there, once you hear the rhythm already, it's like it captivates if you make you want to hear one more him officer. You see me? The rhythm nice. Me not tell a lie. But Tommy Lee, who a falla, you know, I don't know star, I don't know. But make we see what more I go on for this song now.
Nobody don't bet when them see the done rise. Lyrical war face and the weapon a choice. Now living at the past, I figure them a surprise. And we arm to the took making them a paranoid. We do it over and over, junking and them sober. Spot a man them a soldier, couple stop on we shoulder. Them deck full of joker, it's a spray make a load pop. And refer me now the street, consider we as a roadblock.
Tommy Lee, me not telling a lie. And where you find that song ya? Me don't know star. Yo, that song ya, it's still in our vibes where you are meds where they must say, you are meds where he must say, but that song ya still make you want to move. Me can see that song ya go on good on the party floor, regardless of what the song is about or anything like that. You see me? The song ya, it can play a dance, it can play a club, it can play uptown, downtown, everywhere that song ya can play. Yo, me see that song ya go places, I swear. Our next thing, to how the man a flow upon the rhythm. You da wonder if I him name Flow God. Tommy Lee from Wadi, me not tell no lie, you know. You find some flow there. Yo, Jano Star. It's only a sad thing that anytime it look like say, yo, Tommy Lee a rise back, something in a society want to try draw him down. Cause people may refer to the ongoing case we are going right now. But I know that we come to talk about. We fall to talk about Tommy Lee Sparta Relevant. Cause how them a go on like say irrelevant.
How we are every man fear. Features like a lion with an elephant near me. Never salute and that is very damn clear. I always keep a pride, keep your elegance, hear me. How we are every man fear. Them mamas like a kitten with an elephant baby. But them a measure that is very unclear. We control the media, so we relevant daily.
So we are every man fear, vicious like a lion, so we keep the elephant near. Jano Star. Yo, the dog got this them neatly. Alright, me go talk about it. How it all go now? Listen, you see, you have a shotgun when you elephant. You see me? So me don't know if that elephant them attack or the actual elephant. Yo, vicious like a lion. Because you know say lion are the king of the jungle. See? Elephant, them just big and thick, and you know say elephant are really vicious, but elephant humble. So me feel say when I try say yo, him ready for anything him ready for, any war him ready for, you see me? But him humble to him fans them same way. Because in a Tommy Lee character same way, you know. Tommy Lee ever all a meds, you see me? In a real life, you see me? Oh, Tommy Lee, when him forward for interviews and so, him always humble. And the next part, the man I say, yo, them harmless like a kitten. Them harmless like a kitten. Yo, people, Jano Star, tell me what you think in the comment section. But same way, the man a hold the flow good, same way and a hold the flow meds there. Yo, me don't know. That song ya bad. Me not tell no lie. Tell me if it bad as well in the comment section.
Got it on, we are the talk of the town. We control the media, so we relevant daily. Talk of the town, we are the talk of the town. We control the media, so we relevant daily. Talk of the town, them cannot water we down. We control the media, so we relevant daily. Heavy is the money, we walk with the crown. Walk with the crown, walk with the crown.
talk of the town, we are the talk of the town. You see the part there, or the part the people are going to sing. That's the hook right there. That's the hook. Well, not really the hook still, technically, or I should say politically correct. That's really like a bridge. But talk of the town, we are going to talk of the town. Or the part the people are going to remember. Or the part there, the little baby them are going to sing. You see me? That bad. Talk of the town, we are going to talk of the town. You see me? Yo, Jano.
All who no rate me no rate no back. Just a good no look the time and I wait for no flap. I coulda wish my common name to the cops. Remember karma is a bitch since lately she bad. So me no care what you want do, I care what you want say. Give me energy to me say so that any cash strain. Chat you know a chat can't hurt a ear for me. Who no know why to.
Alright people, this is where me feel like say Tommy Lee this Alkaline, or him just neatly reply back to Alkaline and tell him say, yo, you know say we are here you see me, but you can't too forward near me, you can't too say but nothing, know what you do, you see me, but we are here yeah, another little style where you do right a while ago in a Heartless Killers. You see me? And people for who don't know, Tommy Lee did sing one song, say yo, Godfather. And then in a Heartless Killers, in a Alkaline Heartless Killers, Alkaline say grandfather, the man a Godfather. So a portion of people did attack, including me, and I say yo, a Tommy Lee, that song a aim off. So people, you feel like said this song when you relevant. You feel like said that song is a reply subliminally back to Alkaline. And people, me I tell you no, me feel so. That song remind me of when Ding Dong did say, Flary, me not busy signal we call Glary. You see me? And him and Busy Signal did in a one little something right there so. And then Busy Signal say, one phone call it take fi make some boy drop earth to earth and drop down flat. And then it turn in a it. You see me? It. So, me feel say I saw that song even though it's a subliminal this at Alkaline and people. That's just my opinion. I feel like it's a subliminal this at Alkaline. Me feel like so I saw that song just blow up. Wanna listen to the rhythm no man. And one thing with me me have a ears for it song. And the song it just sound it.
Kawa, how we are every man fear. Features like a lion with a elephant near me. Never salute and that is very damn clear. I always keep a pride, keep your elegance hear me. How we are every man fear. The mama like a kitten with a elephant baby. What them a measure that is very unclear. Control the media, so we relevant daily.
So people, you see if you like this video so far, click the like button man. Yeah man, hit the like button there, you just click it. You see me and acknowledge say you like it. If you don't like it, tell me in the comment section why you don't like it. You see me, all opinions are welcome. But for me, that song you bad, me not tell no lie. Yo, me love that song. Yo, you see the melody in that song, you see the rhythm, you see the hook, the catchy phrase, talk of the town, we are the talk of the town. And that I gonna make that song hit. Me call it hit from now, so all of the Sparta fans them, me call that song hit. And all who upset this not happen where as Tommy Lee get back a run so police try all and pull him. Me a rebuke that. Only hope it not happen.
Talk of the town, we are the talk of the town. We control the media, so we relevant daily. Talk of the town, we are the talk of the town. We control the media, so we relevant daily. Talk of the town, them cannot water we down. We control the media, so we relevant daily. Heavy is the money, we walk with the crown. Walk with the crown, walk with the crown, with the crown. Falla.
So people, that's the end of my review still. You see me? That's how I think that's my thoughts on the whole song. You see me? So people, me start a new thing right now where the previous video we're going and the people in my comment on it, me I go pick one comment out of the previous video and put on the screen, shout it out. You see me? Me started the last video what me do and it going good so far. Big up on yourself. You see me? So right now, me I go shout out Money Gray. And me I go read her comment as well. So she said, Chaddy Murray at it again. Big up yourself, review up. What I love about your reviews, you always pay attention to some of I think she want to put did so. To some of the details and you do your research and teach your fans something new. Keep up the good work. Sky is the limit. Big up yourself, Money Gray. You know some feel some you're gonna name the part here in the comment section. You see me? So keep putting your comments in the comment section and probably, just probably, a your comment me might read next. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. Don't forget, if you like this video, like the video, give it one thumbs up. If you dislike it, just state why you dislike it, why you don't like the song. And don't forget to rate the song out of 10. How much you give the song? You feel like it's a hot song or you feel like it's a flop song? Me don't know. It's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm out. Are we at the talk of the town? Talk of the town.
We control the media, so we really man daily. Talk of the town.